If you grow them this way, you'll have green onions to eat all year round. Remember to water your plants regularly because plants grown in pots need more water than those grown in the ground. If you find this video helpful and useful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel to watch more videos. Thank you so much. After harvesting, continue watering and fertilizing. Keep doing this and you'll have green onions to enjoy all year round. I wish you success growing your onions. Love you all.